Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? This is Hafiza Fatma, your general science teacher for level 1, and I belong to Peshawar Model Schools. In the first video, we have studied the chapter. We have learned many things about the human body. Now in this video, we will do some book exercises. First come towards question answers. Question number 1 is name at least 10 parts of human body. Here we have head, neck, nose, eye, lips, teeth, ear, neck, hand, finger, foot, chin, arm and knee. Question number 2 is why do we need air? We need air to breathe. We need air to survive. Question number 3 is how do living things get energy? Living things get energy by eating food. Question number 4 is who can make their own food? Plants. We know that only plants can make their own food. Question number 5 is which type of food human beings eat? Human beings eat food from the plants and animals. We eat food that comes from both plants and animals. Now let's open your books and page number 6. Here we have question number 1. Choose the correct answers. First one is which part of the body do you use to hold a pencil? Finger, toes, nails, elbow. So correct option is fingers. What does a kitten grow into? We have studied this too. A boy, girl, dog and cat. Kitten is a young cat and it will grow up to be a cat. Question 3 is how many thumbs do humans have? We have 2 thumbs. So option B is the correct answer. Fourth is which of these is a living thing? Bicycle, hat, crow and pencil. Obviously option C is the correct answer. Which of the following is not a part of human body? Head, neck, tail, back. We humans have head, neck. Do we have tail? No. We do not have tail in our body. So tail is not a part of human body. Now let's come to a question number 2. Mark these sentences with a tick or cross. All human beings begin life as a babies. True. You have to put a tick in the box. All living things need air. Tick. All children look the same. No, we children not look the same. We are all different. Plants do not need food to grow. Is it true or wrong? This statement is wrong because plant is a living thing, so they also need food to grow. Human beings, plants and animals grow. It's true. Now let's come towards page number 7. Here we have a question number 3 which says that tick the living things and cross the non-living things. Here we have that you can see easily that we have a small boxes over there with each picture and you have to put a tick or cross with the living or non-living things respectively. You can see that where we have cat is a living thing, plants are also living thing. Turtle is also a living thing. Spider is also a living thing. And rest of them are non-living things. So you have to put a cross with the non-living things. Now, question number 4 is look at the pictures below. Circle the part of the body that is being used for each action. You can easily see that they all are doing something. Say, in the first picture you can see that he is using a laptop. So he is using his hands to type something. So hands is the correct. In the second picture you can see that a boy is listening something. So he is using his ears to hear. You can clearly see that he is using a telescope to look through it. So he is using his eyes to see through the telescope. Fourth picture you can see that a girl is smelling a perfume flower. So he is using his nose to smell something, so we use our nose. So similarly, he or she is using his nose to smell. You can see that a boy is sitting on his knees, so his knees helped him to stay in one position. In the next picture, you can see that he is riding a bicycle. So his legs helps him to move in the direction, coordinates with the bicycle and his wheels. So in the last picture, you can easily see that a girl is trying to taste something. So we use our mouth to eat something. So you have to put a circle to the correct options. Now let's come towards page number 24. Here you have a homework. Fun pages. Label the diagram below with the names of body parts. We have studied the whole chapter. We have done the exercise. Now this is your homework. You have to label the each part we have studied in the chapter. It's very easy and you can easily do that. Thank you.